Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a hot flash and wrinkles makeup video. And we are going to be testing out the new Decay Stay Naked Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydration. So this is a tinted moisturizer. And I spray tanned. You can't really tell very much. Tell it on my hand, but none on my face. But that's okay. That's why we got this, right? So, what does it say about this? Let's just check it out. Ugh, itchy eyes. So, it says that you get up to 24 hours of hydration, lasting all day moisture. Skin is significantly more hydrated after 24 hours. Up to 24-hour glow, dewy, juicy finish, healthy looking skin glow, 24-hour wear, weightless, medium coverage, looks fresh all day, kombucha, filtrate, and marahuka oil. No. Kombucha, filtrate, and marula oil. And this is a vegan formula. So, medium coverage, 24-hour wear. Let's just check it out and see how it does. And I'm going to try some different products. They're not new. They're not new. I'm just, instead of using my Bobbi Brown and my Cookie and my Dandelion, we are going to use the e.l.f. highlighter and the Milani. I used to use this Milani bronzer all the time, so we're going to put those on today just to change it up a little bit, although I still love the other ones the best. But anyways, let's go in with this. Whoops, I should shake it. It's been sitting here on my table for a couple of days. All right, and it's pretty dark, so I don't know if I tanned enough to make this. I'm just putting this much. Oh, what color did I get? Let me see. I got 51. So let's just put this on my face. I don't think I got enough out, but we're just gonna rub it in. Actually, this one's a little thicker, so I probably could have used a brush. I may use a brush. And I have a sponge too that I'm going to use. Wow, it's really dark, huh? Probably won't be that dark once I get it spread out good. Yeah, I don't have enough. Maybe. I just have it all down here. Yeah, I do. All right, now I'm going to grab a brush and pull it down my neck a little bit. I don't have a nice dense brush available. We'll just use this little e.l.f. guy before it soaks in. There, that's not bad. I don't think. It's hard to say. Let's see. It's definitely glowy. I would definitely say it does not have medium coverage. At least I can see this shining through. Maybe I'll put a little extra right there. Nope, that's just not going to cover. So, it looks good though. All right, let's go in. Let's just add a little more. We'll just put a little more on for, see if we can get that medium coverage they were talking about. It's definitely glowy. All right, we're gonna call that good. And we're gonna go in with our concealer. I'm going to use my Pat McGrath, which is going to look really light. I probably need to buy a new concealer that's not so light for these summery days. Right, let's go ahead and spread this out. Put some up here. I forgot to put it right there. That looks okay. It's still pretty glowy, but I think we'll take care of that with our powder. Let's see how it looks after we powder it. I'm going to go in with my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. Hopefully it doesn't take out too much of the color. I like the color, although it is a little dark for my neck, huh? Have to tan some more. I love this powder. It just blurs out everything so nicely. All right, now I'm going to go in with my powder brush. Spread that around to the rest of my face. See if that's enough to tone down the glow. I believe it is. It looks good. All right. I like it. Let's go ahead and add some color to this face. We're going to use the Milani. And this is in the color Sunlight Silky Matte Bronzer. This is a lot lighter than what I normally use. So it's not going to show up nearly as well, especially on this darker foundation. But it's good, right? It's all good. It's something new. All right. Take this and blend this out a little. And then we're going to go in, we're going to use this for our eyeshadow too. So I'm going to go in and just put a little bit right up here and on the outer corner. Or actually the whole outer half. This is a lot powderier than the Bobbi Brown. Or maybe I'm just in a hurry and I'm swooshing it a bit more. Okay, now I'm going to pull it up since I don't have as much on my brush. I think I need a little bit more down here. I think I need to look in this mirror. Okay, that's good enough. Now we're going to go in with this one. And we're going to go into this e.l.f. highlight. It doesn't have a color or anything on it. Oh, it does. It has a little dot. It says rose gold. This is a rose gold one. I didn't even know that. This doesn't look too rosy, but a little bit. Anyways, I'm going to get it on there on this brush and put it on the inner third of my lid. Inner 2/3, sorry. Well, that's pretty. Yep, it's pretty. Now I'm going to take it, get it on my finger, and put it on my face as my highlight. I just thought we'd do something different than what we've been doing, because I certainly have plenty of stuff that's not getting used. All right. Now, let's go in with some lip. What kind of lip do we want? Oh, I gotta do my brows. Let's just use this brow. This is that one that I can't decide if I like it or not, because I can't decide if it's too dark or if it's too stiff. One day I love it, the next day it's like, well, I don't know if I like it. I think it has to do with the fact of me putting my makeup on up here and then going down in normal light and going, whoa, and that's too much. But we're going to try and do it really light up here so that when I go downstairs and look in normal lighting mirror, it doesn't shock me. Anyway, that's the plan. So, this is the Maybelline Tattoo Gel Brow. Okay, I've already got too much right there in the corner. But I'm just going to take a spoolie, a clean one, and kind of get that out of there. I think maybe that's the trick. Putting it in with this and then having this standing by to fix it when I put too much. Because there's no hairs right there. But I'm going to stop so that I don't mess it up on that side. I still have to do the other side. And this one's a lot harder. And this one always has more white hairs in it too. Do you guys get that? Where one side's got more white hairs? I'm older on one side, obviously. So I'm just going to put some on. And then I'm going to go in and fix it. Okay, that's probably enough. Yep, we're going to call it good. I like it again. Oh, except right there. I do need a little bit more color right there, don't I? And I stuck it back in there, so now it's probably going to have way too much on there. So I'm just going to put a little blob there, which I did. And then grab it on here and fill it in. All right, that's good. Stop. I'm going to stop while I'm ahead. So that is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel, and this is the color Blonde. So I like it. And my Pat McGrath is the concealer that I used. So now we're going to go in with a lip. And I think since we're doing just like a super tan kind of look, we're going to do something really light. What's this? Pout Balm. We're going to use this. This is from Revolution, I think. Gloss. It's a gloss that makes you plump up. Yeah, it's from Revolution. And this is Candy. Is the color. Yep. That's what we're going to use. Ah. Pretty. Actually, that is perfect, right? And it's minty. That highlight is like wowza. You know what? I think I'm going to go back in with a little bit of our bronzer, because I forgot to do this. I'm just going to put it underneath on the outside. Just a little bit. Just like that. This eye is deeper on the outside. Deeper set. I don't know why. I didn't do it on purpose. I don't think it used to be that way. I don't think my eyes used to be this deep set. Can your eyes get more deep set as you get old? I think it did. Anyways, that's it. This is our look of the day. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of this foundation? I mean, moisturizer. I like it. I think I got way too much highlight from this e.l.f. stuff. It's way shinier than what I'm used to. And I was not looking in the close-up mirror. It's not sinking into lines at all. It looks good. It really does. It's a little bit dark, as you can see. A little bit dark for my neck. But I'm just going to tan more so that it works. Anyways, I'm giving it a thumbs up because it looks really good. I don't think it has medium coverage. I think it has light coverage. But you know what? For summer, that's fine. Yep, it looks good. I love wearing these lashes and where I don't have to wear liner or mascara. It's just so much easier. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already, and hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!